Just upgraded to macOS Catalina? Can't find iTunes? Don't know how to sync your iOS devices? Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. Okay, so you just updated to macOS Catalina and you realize that iTunes is gone and it's been replaced with a separate music, TV, and podcast app. So you may be thinking, how do I sync, backup, restore, or update my iOS devices? Well, I'm going to show you, and it's super easy. Plug your iOS device into your USB port on your computer running macOS Catalina using your Lightning cable. If you are asked to trust the computer, trust it and enter your passcode on your iPhone. You should get a window that automatically launches, but if not, click on Finder. Look on the left-hand sidebar of the Finder window under Locations for your device and select it. If the window asks you to trust the computer, trust it. From here, you can view information for your device, sync, backup, restore, or update your iOS device. It's just that easy, and actually to me, it seemed a little easier than when we used to use iTunes. Before I go, if this video helped you and you got some value out of it, if you could please smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, share this video, and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos we release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.